thanks to Facebook errors that we are live again. In fact, I that day also I wanted to have more discussions with Sandhya, you, and I suppose God has given us one more chance.
Yes.
Okay, so people who have not seen Sandhya live last time, I would like to introduce this amazing lady out here. She's a personality development coach. She's also a people development coach. She's an amazing life coach, inspired many lives, and is admired by a lot of followers. And last time I had a conversation with her because she's rolling out an amazing program very soon. And today on this live, as you can see the wall copy post, if you are a victim of overthinking, if you have a certain vision for yourself and for your family but you don't know how to go about it, or either if you want to master your mind to make sure that things are happening rather than just waiting, what happened or waiting to things to happen, this is the woman who can do it for you. And how? Who is she? First, let's hear it from her. So hi Sandhya, welcome once again. It's a pleasure to have you again.
Thanks.
And if you can tell my viewers about the amazing resume, impressive resume you have around,
Yes.
though I know a lot about you now.
Yes, I've been actively working with a lot of kids and adults, especially women, and this is how this thought came to my mind. I was working with women one-on-one,
Okay.
and they're basically stressed out on a number of reasons which are basically common, especially when they are handling so many departments and they are stressed out. What happens is the stress passes on to our children and their academics suffer. Also, ladies in the 40s to 50s, once the kids are grown up, what happens is they have their own monotony in place, they have their own routine in place. So they end up feeling isolated.
Yeah, they feel very alone.
Correct. So I said, why not come up with a program where we bring in a lot of women together, where we de-stress them, detoxify them, they talk about their problems, and at the same time they start thinking for themselves, they start thinking in terms of a parallel life for themselves, because that is really, really very
And as Sandhya, we always, the vision of our community is to give mothers a well-deserved break. And
Definitely.
worldwide, like Sheryl Sandberg herself has talked about our group and its vision, saying that mothers worldwide resonate with that thought of, taking a break for their own time, for spending some time for their own self, spending their me time, and it makes your life qualitatively more.
Exactly. In fact, you are able to contribute much better to your household if you have that kind of life to yourself.
Okay.
But unfortunately, as women get so tied up into the daily grind and monotony, they seldom think about themselves. So
I
this is
agree.
basically a program where those 3 hours you're cut off from your day-to-day grind. You think, what is it that you want to do? How can you take things forward? And most importantly, clear all the chaos. See, there are only 2 things that are possible, right? Either there is confusion or you will take action.
True.
Both the things just can't be possible. So clear the clutter, clear all the chaos, and get on to action. That's
Lovely.
the intention.
So I suppose that's like a great pretext to the conversation we'll have today. And Sandhya, last time also we got fabulous response on your enrollments of program. And today I would like you to talk again about the upcoming program on Monday, because we are on
Yes.
Thursday today.
Yes.
And ladies, she's launching an amazing program on Monday, and she'll talk more about it, what exactly it is. And I'm already a fan of it. Mostly I'm joining the same. So, and I suppose a lot of boomers with the last live are also enrolled.
Yes,
But
they are.
Sandhya, if you can just give them a detailed
Yes.
description on, especially for the viewers who are seeing us for the first time.
Yes, so this program basically, as Neha rightly mentioned, that is going to start from Monday. So it's going to be spread across 5 Mondays. It's not just like a workshop or a seminar that we just wrap it up. No, we are looking at 5 weeks, 5 Mondays, so that you get into the system of learning, you get into the system of putting things into action.
Okay.
So I just don't want you to come, listen and go. I want you to put things into place, because only then you experience true results, right?
So great. So it's not just for one Monday. Like this Monday is the first one she'll start the program on, and it will go on for 5 Mondays. So you have to attend every Monday. What is the time,
The
Sandhya?
timings are from 12 in the afternoon to 3 in the afternoon.
Okay, so 12 to 3. So literally you have to just spend 3 hours every Monday for consecutive 5
5
Mondays.
Mondays.
Okay, lovely. And Sandhya, a lot of our mothers, in fact last time also Devisha asked you that a lot of them are working moms and they can't really come on a Monday.
True,
So do you have any solution for those mothers?
Yeah, see, the idea of keeping it behind a Monday is basically, since it is the first day of the week,
Mhm.
so you basically have your plans and priorities in place for the entire week,
Okay.
so that your productivity increases and you experience true results.
Oh.
But I do understand that working women, they really find it difficult. The thing is, it's like from Monday to Friday, idea of fact, for some women they've been working 6 days a week. So I want them to be with me mentally. That is the intention of keeping it on a Monday. But yes, if still things are very, very difficult, we can definitely consider a Sunday for them.
Wow. So as of now it's on Monday, ladies. If you're working and you want to really join this life-changing experience, take a chutti, take a half day at least for 12 to 3 because it's only 3 hours and you have to go only on Mondays. And very soon she promises to bring in a weekend course also. But still I would suggest don't really wait for it. Go for it if you really need it. Yeah.
It's like they need to be mentally with me because it's a lot of brainstorming. We're going to be actually planning for ourselves, right? We're planning our life. So it's just being physically present and not doing the things properly that really does not make any sense.
Okay.
But yes, we are open to a Sunday as well.
Okay, so we have Suruchi, Arpana, we have Simrit, we have Amruta, we have Vanita saying that, yeah, my favorite speakers. We have Meena saying hi to you, and Vanita is saying, can we have some special live group? Now I love lives. Okay, so that's like, definitely we'll discuss about it, Vanita, and that's a fantastic idea, and you've always been giving some amazing ideas. Oh, and Vanita is asking you one question. There are some discounts. Vanita, last time, I suppose she has announced the course fee, but this time again I'll ask her. Do you have already in the wall copy post, you have given them offer that any mother who will ask her apt question today,
she'll be getting a free ticket to the workshop.
So not just discounts, you have a chance to win an absolutely free seat. But otherwise, if you are not that lucky one, what's the fees?
We are still offering a 50% discount, especially for a Momo Moms community. So that is on, and yes, as I said, like, be there. You have to take charge. You have to take action to change your life.
So right now, what is the fee as such?
The current fees is 10,000. We are running as
10,000 for 5 Mondays, all put together, right? You are not ready.
Yes, but the discounted price is for 5,000.
Okay, so amazing. So if you see the breakup, the pencil closing, guys, it's like 1,000 rupees per Monday is what you're spending. And for the entire course, which is of 10,000 rupees, now you're getting it in 5. It's like a great 50% off. And it's exclusively for our community, Momo Mumbai moms.
Yes,
so I would suggest that all these women who are watching us, please, and are you giving it to everybody or you have some limited seats for the 50% off?
Yes, this was the first 10 seats, I believe.
And she's already got 4.
Yes, we've already started with the bookings. In fact,
okay, so 6 seats are left, guys. Book ASAP if you want the 50% off. Otherwise, the seats will be open for 100% payment, which is the 10,000 rupees. But I suppose if you're getting this kind of offer and if you are in double mind, the best part is just contact her on the given numbers there in the wall copy post and make sure you reserve your seat. Okay, so Sandhya, of course I've asked you last time also, and this is my favorite question to you. You told us that you will not just be, mentoring or you'll be the sole leader. You'll be bringing a lot of experts to the program. So who are these guest speakers and what will they do?
Yes, as I said, I wanted to give a platform to women where, along with my expertise, we have celebrities who are in their own domain and they get their knowledge and expertise as well. So we have a parenting coach coming in, we have a business coach coming in, we have a person who is going to be speaking exclusively on emotional intelligence. So we have a lot of experts who will be coming and sharing the platform, and the best part is they are willing to wait in for the question answer round, which is going to be in the end for the exclusive 30 minutes.
So can I say every Monday you're getting someone else also who will be doing it for, will be training them for 30 minutes. So other than of course Sandhya's expertise, you'll also get a subject expert come in there, and she's got some amazing panelists out there to make sure that you get to know about them and their domain also quite well. So if you are strategically having an individual issue, maybe you can find an expert for that.
Yes. We in fact even have a business coach who will be coming on board. So for women, those who really want to take their business to the next level, or for that matter, they are intending to start their own business. So we also have a business coach who will be addressing our community.
So Sonal is saying something that she loves my nail. So Sonal, all thanks to Jazz Studio and Pawai. Seema, if you're listening this, thank you, darling. So thank you for making my nails look so beautiful. Okay, so thanks Sonal. Yeah, even I love them. I got them done yesterday only, and I'm getting something more done on this. So very soon you'll see more changes. Okay, and Bhakti is saying it's the start of weekend, so I want a weekend batch ASAP because I can't really come in for this. And Sonal Sonal is saying that I love the conversation you guys are having right now. Nandita is saying hi to you. Okay,
Hi.
and I want to talk about something which is amazing, guys, which she has done for people who are, who feel that if you come in a batch and attend a training program, you really don't get a individual or a person-centric solution. It's more about, the entire mass coming there, getting trained and going back. And it's not really, your personal problem is not really addressed. So she has got something very amazing. The section which is called Your Problems Are Solution. It's a 30-minute section every Monday.
Every Monday.
Okay, so we were trying to reconnect. Okay, so 30 minutes session every Monday. She has a category called Your Problems Are Solutions. So guys, if you are quite excited about the idea, let her give you a little more details on what exactly is this section.
Yes, this is going to be an exclusive Your Question Our Problems, as in Your Questions Are Solutions. What are we going to be doing in this? It's like whatever stress that you're dealing with in your day-to-day life, any questions you have in your mind, any chaos or clutter, just put it on a sheet of paper. See, we're not interested in invading your privacy. We don't want to know whose problem it is. But we just randomly pick up the sheets of paper and we discuss it. Now what happens here is, along with me and the guest speaker, you have other members of the audience who are going to think from a different perspective, right? Every individual has a different way of thinking. So you get basically a number of solutions. You get a unified solution, and ultimately at the end of it, it is you to decide which solution is the best.
Okay, lovely. So basically, you are saying that though I am stating my problem there in front of a public forum, still my privacy is not
maintained.
invaded.
Privacy is maintained, and the thing is, so that when you go back home, you're absolutely charged, regenerated, and as I said, either there is confusion or you will take action. So once the clutter is clear, or you know your next steps, we want you to start progressing. That is exactly what the program aims to do.
Wow. Jagriti is saying the video is not very clear. Jagriti, give us a thumbs up if it's clear now. I know in between it was giving us a reconnect issue, so I suppose that time it might be little blur, but I suppose now it's going good, right? Yeah, Simrat is saying that it's really an important point on privacy. Yeah, Simrat, so if all of us are coming there with our individual issues also, she's addressing them with a solution. Experts are answering it on that, but at the same time our names are not announced, so nobody knows whose problem is it. So I suppose these sections like Your Problems Are Solutions are fantastic, Sandhya. And if, of course, this is like one thing which I feel not many people are doing, but if I have to really ask you the USP of your program, see there are a lot of coaches who are doing this kind of activities today, but what makes Sandhya Bajaj's program more special?
Yeah, as I said, that we are putting you to action. That is our main theme behind the program. Apart from that, as I said, that we are not interested in wrapping up the program in as good as 2 days workshop. We are doing it for 5 continuous Mondays, and what happens is we try to get you into a system of thinking and thinking positive. We work a lot on the mindset. Other than that, also after the workshop series are over, so you want to be joining us for the next workshop series. So the investment that you have made is a one-time investment. For any reason you're not able to attend one particular class, because as women we are handling a lot of departments, right? Maybe there is an emergency that comes up. So feel free to attend the next workshop series. Till the time you feel that you are at a stage that you can take your life on your own, you can be a part of our series. And of course, these sessions also, there are a lot of takeaways in addition to the discounts that we are offering. There is a bonus session which is a one-on-one with me as well. So the idea, as I said, is like we are not interested in just doing the 5 workshops and finishing it off. In case if you feel you want to be a part of the next workshop series, you're most welcome. Unless and until you are not convinced, you can be a part of our journey.
Okay, so amazing. So I was just going through some questions here on my phone also, and there's one mother who's saying that will you be doing something on a weekend for sure, or should I take a chutti for this only? What do you know?
Yes, we plan to do that, but we plan to do that post Diwali, after Diwali.
Okay, so right now
as of now it's not there, but yes, if there is a group that is being formed, if there is a batch that is formed, then we can surely consider.
Okay.
As of now, we are promoting the Monday workshops.
Okay, so Bhavna is saying something very interesting. I too am a victim of overthinking, need help. So as a coach, if of course Sandhya, you will be training them off, on the workshop. But because you're an amazing coach, and today my mothers need a little
work for you. If it is not working in your favor, I would say shift del, not even delete it. Shift del is basically erasing it from your computer or laptop, right? Because it really doesn't work. And of course, those thoughts are going to continuously hammer you. So be alert to that. And if that happens, just do something else. Get involved in some other activity.
Keep yourself busy.
Exactly.
Oh, so keep yourself busy,
But you
keep
have to-
attending Momo
yes.
meets, keep looking at our life, and in fact keep contributing some amazing stuff. See, I feel all the mothers who are there on Momo Mumbai Moms, in fact today because Sandhya has initiated this conversation, I would like to add on there that you all bring in a set of talent, you all bring in a set of qualities with you when you come on a forum like these. And today, like, we have around 1,35,000 mothers on Mumbai itself. So why don't you really contribute, you know, by sharing the content which you know about more than anybody else. So for example, if you are a makeup artist and today you're not really practicing that, you don't know how confident are you to get in there, start sharing some simple tips on the community, help your fellow mompreneurs, and I'm sure you'll be known by that, you know, known by that very soon. So I suppose what Sandhya is saying makes a lot of sense, that guys, if you are really into overthinking, overanalyzing, and that is upsetting your routine, try to keep yourself busy. Try not to focus on the things which is really bothering you. That will definitely help you become a happy mom.
That's true. And ultimately, at the end of the day, a happy mom does not grow up in life with her kids, but she takes the entire family with herself and moves forward. So that is very, very important that we as women, we keep ourselves absolutely stress-free and happy.
Okay, lovely. So I suppose what Sandhya is saying makes a lot of sense to mothers, and they are also very happy. Jagriti is asking a question, Sandhya. How is this workshop different than any other personality development workshop?
Yes, I can answer this question. What happens out here is many of these personality development workshops, they just work on the outside, as in on the exterior personality, right? Here what we are looking at is we are working on the mindset, as I said. That is the reason it's on the wall, as it's mentioned, master your mind. Because the fact is, unless and until once you feel good inside, you will look good outside. That is very, very important. So internally, once you are happy, you're energized, you're satisfied, automatically your exterior looks are going to be beautiful. So this is the way we work. And to come up to that, we have a bonus workshop also on makeup, you know, but that we announce it after our 5 Mondays, not before that. First, get sorted, get absolutely clutter free, and then we make you look good as well.
Okay, so coming on that point, you have already introduced some workshops, some bonus workshops.
Bonus workshops.
Can you highlight that, because I love that part?
Yes. We have 3 bonus workshops, as I mentioned prior. One session is going to be one-on-one with me. One session makeup workshop, where that's going to be conducted by Kavya Nagdev. And the third bonus workshop is on digital literacy. So when we talk about digital India, we want women to get on board and very, very comfortable using laptop, using mobiles. They have to be really, really comfortable. They should not take it as something that they are scared of, right?
In fact, you know, that's a very big concern, Sandhya, today, especially the topic you've touched upon, digital literacy. I personally feel women out there who are either homemakers, magical women out there who are either working, not working, but I've seen a lot of women who are totally dependent on their brother, father, husband, kids to do their net banking, to do the everything, little basics.
Paytm. Now also I had like, you know, I don't know how to do net banking, will you accept cash? I'm like,
and guys, it's very good, it's fantastic. Like, one of my friends told me, why should I learn it? My husband does it all the time for me. So it's fantastic that you have been blessed with an amazing husband. But unfortunately or fortunately, say tomorrow if he's not really available that time and you're stuck, then you needn't really, you know, bother so much. See, what is important in terms of I would say freedom should be there, or independence rather. Independence is the right word. You should not just be a woman who's independent financially. So when I say financially independent, it's about people who are going and, you know, earning some money. It's about, do you really know how to earn money? If required, if tomorrow you're required to go out and earn money, are you really qualified enough to earn that money? That is important. So financial independence is that I know if tomorrow I have to go out, I am quite talented enough to fetch some money for my family. Second, similar thing is, are you digital independent? For example, do you really know how to access the different social media handles like Insta, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Twitter, I suppose we have the lowest ratio of women on Twitter, and of course Facebook. And at the same time, do you really know basic net banking? Do you know how to do Paytm? Do you know what exactly is the buzzword today in the digital techno finance domain. Just get a hang of it, understand it. I'm not asking you to start doing net banking tomorrow, start paying your bills tomorrow. If your husband is doing it, fantastic if he's doing it, but try to take things in your hand. You know, at times tell him that, listen, this month I'll make the payments. Use his card, use his bank account, but at least know how to do it. And in fact, trust me, this conversation, if you're really listening to us and you're taking it seriously, this will take you a long, long way. Because I've seen some very unfortunate cases wherein the husband has expired suddenly.
Yes, that's
and the
true.
wife has not even, you know, she's not even aware of the kind of properties the husband have, the password of his net banking. So these kind of credentials you should, you know, share it, do some arrangement there where your trusted friends and family know about these things. And husbands, if you know, of course they're not listening to us, they must be listening to us through universal bonds. So if you have a wife who's pretty good, pretty sweet, make sure that you go back home and teach her how to do net banking rather than doing it for her. That'll in fact teach a man how to do fishing rather than giving him a fish, right? To feed. Okay, so gyan session over. Talking about Sandhya Bajaj, because she's touching upon some important points out here, and imagine if here we can build up so much conversation. What will happen when you attend a workshop with her? She's really, you know, enlightening all of us on various topics, and Sandhya, I love that about you. And I want to ask you something else. So basically, you have told us that it's beyond personality development. You're getting a lot of experts coming. You're talking about the guest speakers who are quite, you know, good with their credentials and have impressive resumes. You have also given 50% discount to our mothers. But after these 5 Mondays are over, you know, at times what happens as a trainer, as a L&D expert, I understand that training में आते हैं तब तो सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And after you go back home and you need a one-on-one support, you don't know where to go.
True.
So do you have a solution there?
Yes. We have WhatsApp support, and as I said, there is a bonus session which is one-on-one with me.
Okay.
And as I mentioned, I'm like, see, for me, all my clients, it's basically a relationship. It is not just you are with me with the workshop, and once the workshop is over, you're no longer with me. So our programs are going to be conducted on a regular basis. All my clients, they can attend my workshop, the series, as well as personally connect with me. Facebook, email, call, chat, that is not a problem. So the idea, as I said, that you're going to be with me as long as you yourself do not get absolutely convinced that you can take your life to the next level.
Wow.
So there is nothing like that. You know, we're just done with 5 workshop series and the program comes to an end. It's an ongoing relationship.
Yes, I'm sure. Okay, and a very, very important question. You know, a lot of us have told us, of course, 10,000 was something you would have thought about. 5,000 is something which I suppose we buy a dress or that much when you go to a simple occasion. In fact, for weddings we spend much more than that. At times you go and eat in Taj and you'll be like, for a breakfast you'll be spending more than what you're spending for the workshops out here. But still, Sandhya and I both were discussing before the live that a lot of women have apprehensions about really spending on themselves, especially when it comes to your learning, your growth, your, you know, initiatives like these.
True.
So Sandhya, what's your tip in there? Because
Yes.
you must be having these kind of queries where people must be telling you thoda zyada hai madam.
Correct. That's exactly what you said is absolutely right. I'm like, when you spend 5,000 on not outfit, we match it up with accessories and jewelry. So why not spend on ourselves? See, basically what happens is once you invest in yourself, I would always call it an investment and not an expenditure in the first place.
Okay.
And because once you grow, you're automatically influencing other members of the family. You're influencing your kids. You're educating your children, right? So that is more important. This time that you're going to give yourself is basically the best time in your life for a very simple reason, being you are investing to change your life, to upscale, to grow up in your thinking process and take your life to the next level. See, there are again 2 possibilities. Either you can keep living the way you want or you want to upgrade your life. So this is a question which I feel you need to ask yourself. What is it that you want and what is more important?
Wow. And she's given a great thought to ponder upon, guys, that if not now, then when? You know, we keep on, you know, procrastinating.
Yes, and we are in the same vicious circle all the time, right? So basically, it's you who needs to decide whether you want to change and transform or you want to continue living the same way you've been living with the same thought process, which is basically where your growth is stagnant.
Okay, lovely. Okay, and we have some others saying that we love these conversations and we love the live what you're doing and we love the speakers. Gayatri is also saying, yes, even I'm a victim of overthinking, Neha, and most it comes negative thinking only. I don't know why.
Yes.
So any tip there from your side?
See, again, this is basically a habit which we have to change. That is the reason we talk about these 5 Mondays, when we get you into the system to think positive. Now the thing is that awareness state is not there. Once you're aware that this thought is not going to help you,
The best part is
then
she's
you will
aware,
change.
Gayatri. So
Yes,
that's
yes.
Gayatri's.
Yes.
I suppose you are already on the first level where you're
Yes,
aware that
aware.
I'm a victim and what I'm thinking is negative and I have to get out of this
Get out
vicious
of
cycle.
it.
So
Correct.
that's like the best part to
Yes.
zone
The
you
first
are in.
phase she's already done. Yes,
she
yes.
is a winner there.
Yes.
So Gayatri, I would suggest you a simple tip which I have done with myself. Whenever you have a negative thought about a person or a situation or some circumstance, the only thing consciously take a decision that today one negative thought of mine, I'll replace it with a positive thought.
Yes.
Over a period of time, you'll see that in your subconscious mind, you'll start thinking more positive and less of negative. In fact, if there's a person who's bothering you, I always say if there is someone you really can't forgive, the best part, the best action you can take in there is to forgive them. It is difficult, but it's not impossible.
In fact, basically by doing these things, we are decluttering ourselves. We are just
we are
making
helping
our
our
lives.
own
Yes,
self.
we are making our lives better.
So you're not really
We are
you're not
carrying
really
emotional
forgiving that
baggage.
person because that person has not really done less harm to you, that you're forgiving him, or you're leaving at times you say that I'm leaving it to karma to make sure that this is taken care of, but that's not the real thought, guys. You are helping your own self when you're forgiving people.
True.
Imagine that person has already harmed you in past, and because that person is still in your brain, he or she is harming you still.
Yes.
Every day you are suffering because of that. So make sure that he's out, and she or he, because she's also our favorite topic, so he or she's out of your mind forever.
Correct.
I know it's difficult, but I'm sure you can do it because we all have done it.
True.
And it's possible. Okay, and Santosh Pratik Trivedi is saying, I loved it when you said financial independence. My husband handles everything and I'm not aware, though he says I still don't like taking additional responsibility. I say that I don't like taking additional responsibility. So Santosh, we've already told you that you're quite fortunate that your husband is doing it for you, but you'll be more fortunate if your husband, and it's 10,000 rupee fee, but she's giving you 50% off, so it's on 5,000 rupees. You get 5 Mondays plus a one-on-one consultation if you have any issues there. And I suppose she's amazing because I met her twice and I've got quite inspired by her. She's definitely a people development coach, and the mantra she has given will definitely make a very, very positive impact in your life. And with all the best wishes, Sandhya, your
Thank
parting
you so
words to
much.
our viewers.